Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a government laptop. First, carefully review your agency's specific IT policies regarding external hardware. Ensuring compliance before you begin is essential for security and system integrity. Many government laptops have strict security protocols that might affect printer installation, so understanding these is crucial. This initial step prevents potential issues later on, making your setup much smoother and more secure. Once you have clearance, physically connect your printer. First, plug the power cable into a reliable power source, like a wall outlet or an approved surge protector. Next, connect your printer to the laptop using a USB Type-B to Type-A cable, typically found with your printer, plugging it into an available USB port. Some network-enabled printers can also connect via an Ethernet cable, provided your agency permits such network access. Remember to power on your printer after connecting all cables. Now, let's install the necessary printer drivers. Always download drivers directly from the printer manufacturer's official website to ensure authenticity and avoid malware. Locate the specific driver for your printer model and the operating system running on your laptop. Many government laptops require administrator privileges for software installations. If you encounter permission issues, contact your IT support team. They can assist with installing the drivers securely and correctly, ensuring system stability. With drivers installed, it's time to add the printer to your system. Open your laptop settings menu, then proceed to Bluetooth and devices and select printers and scanners. Click the Add a Device button at the top. Your laptop will then scan for available printers. Select your specific printer model from the list that appears. For network connections, you might need to select Add a Printer using a TCP/IP address and input its network details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.